Hello children, today I am going to introduce you active and passive voice second part. How to convert active voice into passive voice. Today we are going to study about conversion of pronouns as subject into object and object into subject. Active voice subjective case and the second one passive case, objective case. How it is converting, let us see. Here I and we both are used in first person. I can be converted to by me, we into by us. In second person you changed to by you. Third person he, she, it and they converted as by him, by her, by it and by them. First person I and we, I converted to me, we converted to us. Second person you converted to you only. Third person he, she, it and they, he into him, she into her, it and they them. Let us see this table. Here tense forms, active voice and passive voice with some examples. Present simple. They speak German in Austria. Here we can convert it into German is spoken in Austria by them. Here by them understood. So we are writing only this much. German is spoken in Austria. Present continuous tense, they are planting some trees. Some trees are being planted by them. Here also by them. It is not necessary to write that by them. Some trees are being planted. In present perfect tense, someone has eaten my muffin. My muffin has been eaten by someone. Here we are writing this much only. My muffin has been eaten. In simple past, they closed the road for a day. The road was closed for a day by them. Past continuous tense, he was not feeding his dogs. His dogs were not being fed by him. Past perfect tense, someone had put out the fire before the fire brigade arrived. The fire had been put out before the fire brigade arrived. In simple future, they will fine you for littering. You will be fined for littering. In future with be going to, they are going to raise taxes. Taxes are going to be raised. In modal verbs, you can solve the problem. The problem can be solved. Look here in simple present tense forms. Go and goes. With plural go and with singular goes. How it's changed you can see is gone and are gone. Present continuous tense with singular am and is going. So it is converted into is being going and are being going. In present perfect tense, singular has gone and plural have gone. It can be converted like that. Has been gone and have been gone. Present perfect tense continuous has been going and have been going. In that case, there is no passive voice. In simple past, we are using that second form of verb went. So then it is converted into was went and were went. Was with the singular and were with the plural. In past continuous tense, are going, was going and were going converted into was being gone and were being gone. Past perfect tense had gone changed into had been gone. Past perfect continuous had been going. In that case, there is no passive voice. In simple future, we are using will, can, may, must with go. It will be like will go, can go, may go, must go. It can be converted into passive voice like that. Will be gone, can be gone, may be gone, and must be gone. In future continuous tense, will be going and shall be going. There is no passive voice. In future perfect tense, shall have going, will have going. We can convert it into will have been gone and shall have been gone. In future continuous perfect, shall or will have been going. In that case, there is no passive voice. Now, look here, passive of the assertive sentences. Mr. Jalil teaches us English. We can convert into we are taught English by Mr. Jalil. Sumi writes a letter. We can write a letter is written by Sumi. Rani was singing a song. Can convert a song was being sung by Rani. Rumi draws a picture. A picture is drawn by Rumi. The cow gives us milk. We can convert we are given milk by the cow. Here some more sentences are we can write like a Ram does not like Mohan. Then we can convert Mohan is not liked by Ram. She was winding her watch. We can convert that sentence like her watch was being wound by her. I have not given the permission. The permission has not been given by me. They will have finished the job. We can convert the job will have been finished by them. Now some imperative sentences. Open the door. We can convert let the door be opened. Complete the work. Let the work be completed. Turn off the television. Let the television be turned off. Learn your lesson. Let your lesson be learned. Kill the snake. Let the snake be killed. Punish him. Let him be punished. Speak the truth. Let the truth be spoken. Help the poor. Let the poor be helped. Revise your book. Let your book be revised. Clean your room. Let your room be cleaned. These sentences can be do in this way also. Stand up. Then we can write this way also. You are ordered to stand up. Please lend me your book. You are requested to lend me your book. Do not waste your time. You are advised not to waste time. Otherwise we can say, let not your time be wasted. Do it at once. You are ordered to do it at once. Otherwise we can use the same way. Let it be done at once. Now let us study how we can make passive voice from interrogative sentences. Do you love him? Is he loved by you? Did he break the window? Was the window broken by him? Have you taught the boy? Has the boy been taught by you? What do you want? What is wanted by you? Why did she beat the servant? Why was the servant beaten by her? When did you write the letter? When was the letter written by you? Where will you spend your holiday? Where will your holidays be spent by you? Some more questions. Are you doing your work? Is your work being done by you? Have you sent the letter? Has the letter been sent by you? Will he help me? Will I be helped by him? Could the doctor save him? Could he be saved by the doctor? Does the children pluck flowers? Then here we can convert. Are flowers plucked by the children? Does he know me? Am I known to him? Did Gobi invite you? Were you invited by Gobi? Here some exclamatory sentences and its passive voice. Alas, I have lost my books. Alas, my books have been lost. Hooray, I have found my pen. Hooray, my pen has been found. It is time to open the door. It is time for the door to be opened. We have to finish this work today. This work has to be finished today. We have still 5 lessons to teach. There are still 5 lessons to be taught. Passive of the exclamatory sentence. Once more I will repeat to you. Alas, I have lost my books. Alas, my books have been lost. Hooray, I have found my pen. Hooray, my pen has been found. It is time to open the door. It is time for the door to be opened. We have to finish this work today. This work has to be finished today. We have still 5 lessons to teach. There are still 5 lessons to be taught. There's some more example I am going to tell you. Listen carefully. The smoke fills the room. Then we can convert it like the room is filled with the smoke. His conduct shocked me. I was shocked at his conduct. I pleased my master. My master was pleased with me. The cup contains milk. Milk is contained in the cup. People speak Bengali in Bengal. Bengali is spoken in Bengal. What do they sell here? What is sold here? Someone has stolen my purse. My purse has been stolen. One should keep one's promise. A promise should be kept. The teacher asked the student why he tore the book. There we can convert. The student was asked by the teacher why the book was torn by him. Thank you for watching this video.